What if I told you there's a secret ingredient that adds gourmet magic to your favorite dishes, and it's not what you'd expect? 1. Introduction. Nutritional yeast, those unassuming golden flakes that often resemble fish food, are a culinary secret waiting to be unlocked. In this comprehensive series, we embark on a flavorful journey to explore every facet of this remarkable ingredient. Nutritional yeast, or nooch, as it's affectionately known in some circles, is not your typical yeast used for leavening bread. Instead, nutritional yeast is typically made from a yeast strain known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae, meticulously cultivated for its nutritional benefits and savory, cheese-like flavor profile. 2. Flavor profile. At the heart of nutritional yeast's allure lies its distinctive flavor. Imagine the delightful combination of nuttiness and cheesiness encapsulated in these tiny flakes. It's a flavor that promises to elevate even the most ordinary dishes to gourmet heights. The unique taste of nutritional yeast is often described as umami, a savory quality that tantalizes the taste buds. This umami-rich essence makes it a culinary gem, perfect for enhancing a wide range of dishes, both plant-based and traditional. 3. Nutritional benefits. Beyond its delectable taste, nutritional yeast offers a treasure trove of nutrients. It's a veritable nutritional powerhouse, boasting an array of B vitamins, with a particular emphasis on vitamin B12, a nutrient that can be challenging for vegans to obtain through diet alone. In addition to B12, nutritional yeast provides essential B vitamins such as B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, and B6, pyridoxine. These vitamins play pivotal roles in energy production, brain function, and maintaining a healthy nervous system. 4. Vegan and vegetarian use. For vegans and vegetarians, nutritional yeast is a culinary lifesaver. Its cheese-like qualities make it an ideal ingredient for creating dairy-free versions of beloved classics. Think vegan mac and cheese, luscious sauces, creamy dips, and more. The ability of nutritional yeast to mimic the rich, savory taste of cheese is a game-changer for those seeking to eliminate or reduce dairy from their diets. It's a versatile tool in the plant-based kitchen, adding depth and flavor to a wide array of dishes. 5. Health benefits. Nutritional yeast isn't just a taste enhancer, it's also a potential health booster. Thanks to its nutritional richness, incorporating it into your meals may offer a range of benefits. For example, its high B vitamin content can support energy levels, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Moreover, the presence of essential minerals like zinc and selenium in nutritional yeast contributes to its potential role in fortifying the immune system and supporting overall well-being. These minerals are essential for various bodily functions and processes. The nutrient content can vary depending on the brand and production process, so it's essential to check the label for specific nutrient information. 6. How to use. The versatility of nutritional yeast is one of its most alluring qualities. From popcorn to pasta, salads to soups, it's a versatile ingredient that can enhance nearly any dish. Here are some creative ways to make the most of its unique flavor. Sprinkle nutritional yeast on freshly popped popcorn for a gourmet movie night experience. Toss it into a salad for an extra layer of flavor and nutrition. Incorporate it into pasta dishes for a cheesy twist without dairy. Use it as a seasoning in soups, stews, and sauces to impart a rich, savory depth. 7. Storage tips. To preserve the freshness and flavor of your nutritional yeast, proper storage is essential. Here are some tips to ensure it maintains its culinary magic. Store nutritional yeast in an airtight container in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Keep it away from moisture to prevent clumping. Check the expiration date on the packaging and use it within that time frame for optimal flavor and nutrition. 8. Cautions. While nutritional yeast is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential precautions. Allergies. Some individuals may have yeast allergies or sensitivities, so exercise caution if you've had allergic reactions to yeast in the past. Nutritional yeast is generally gluten-free and doesn't contain the same proteins that trigger yeast allergies in some individuals. Overconsumption. Like many foods, Overconsumption of nutritional yeast can lead to digestive discomfort in some people. Start with small amounts and gradually increase to gauge your tolerance. 9. Recipe demonstration. To truly appreciate the culinary versatility of nutritional yeast, let's get hands-on with a simple yet delightful recipe: vegan cheesy garlic bread. Ingredients: 1 baguette or Italian bread, sliced lengthwise. 1/2 cup vegan butter. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup nutritional yeast. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a small saucepan over medium heat, melt the vegan butter. Add the minced garlic and sauté for a few minutes until fragrant. 3. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in the nutritional yeast, chopped parsley, salt, and pepper. This creates a delicious, cheesy garlic spread. 4. Spread the garlic mixture evenly over the sliced bread. 5. Place the bread on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven for about 10 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown and crispy. 6. Slice and serve your vegan cheesy garlic bread, and savor the delightful fusion of flavors. 10. Closing remarks. In closing, nutritional yeast is a culinary marvel that has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. Its extraordinary flavor, nutritional richness, and versatility make it an invaluable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the culinary arts, nutritional yeast offers a world of possibilities to explore. Its ability to infuse dishes with a cheesy, umami goodness without dairy opens up a realm of creative culinary ventures. As we journey through this series, we invite you to embrace the world of nutritional yeast, experiment with its use, and savor both its taste and potential health benefits. Join us on this flavorful expedition, and let's unlock the full potential of nutritional yeast together.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you want more fitness, health, weight loss, and muscle building tips. Let's get fit together. See you next time.